So hello and welcome to Casual Leaves. Today I'm talking about 6 things that you need to check when you unbox your houseplant, and specifically this one. I'm hoping by now the name would be in the title, but this is the cutest, rarest houseplant for me that I'll be unboxing on this channel. This is, should I say it? This is a string of turtles, and that has been such a rare plant for me to find. I mean, we all know about all the possible string offs that are there out there. There are so many, of course, the hearts and then the variegated hearts and bananas, dolphins, pearls, and honestly, right now I have none. I had a really nice string of hearts until a while back. I had a really nice string of pearls until a while back. But even though I gave them the best conditions, they didn't last for me because they can be so tricky. So specifically when it comes to this guy, I thought I'm going to cover 6 things that you should check when you get this plant so that you can ensure it does its best with you for the first time. I must say that we must not really feel too bad with these plants if they don't survive, because they are very tricky. You need to be really a matured plant owner, I feel. I really feel so, and I'm not good at it. I've had 4 string of hearts, 1 string of pearls, none survived. But let's see how this is going to be. A little story also about this as I unbox it now is that I ordered this 13 days ago. I ordered it, and then for 10 days there was no update at all about where the plant was, and I was very afraid because I thought, of course, if it's stuck in transit it would die by now. But I kept checking, and after a couple of no replies from the seller, finally they replied to me that because of the rains and monsoon and because the plant was too wet, they didn't ship it that point in time, and this got shipped 3 days back. So I got it in 3 days, and the packaging looks fine, which is actually my point number 1, to check the packaging. So you must check your packaging as soon as you get the plant, because if the packaging isn't good, I don't think the plant is going to do well in the future. So this is how this one's looking. It's just a bunch of newspapers. Let's see. I will try and put the picture of what I saw when I ordered this plant. And here we are. So my point number 1, like I said, was the packaging. We'll soon know how good or bad it is. So that's the size. It's a small container, like a 3-inch container, I would say. There's a little tissue on top and some taping here. Not the best packaging, but we'll see once we get inside. It's a lot of paper wrap there. Okay. And ooh, oh my god, it's so beautiful. So while the packaging seemed to be a little bit messy, the plant seems to have arrived well. So I say point number 1 is a tick mark right now. Packaging, I'll pass it for now. I'll say it's okay. Wow, it's quite pretty. It's not really in a container, it's in this plastic kind of a wrap thing. And there are some leaves which have fallen inside, which of course I don't think I can do anything about. Point number 2 is to check the soil, the condition of the soil. What soil is it in? Because at times the sellers will put it in some light soil so the shipping can be easier, lightweight. So you can check for the soil if it's fine or not. Can't really make out. It's moist for sure, but it's quite flaky, which is fine because these plants need flaky kind of soil. It's got some kind of barks and don't know what else, but yeah. Point number 3, I would say, would be to check for pests. because since you've got a new plant and you want to give it the best condition, you want to make sure that you avoid hurting other plants. So ideally, if you have like a microscope or a good amount of light from somewhere, like a flash, actually I'm just gonna use my flash to see if I can notice anything. Oh damn, this turtle is broken. It was one of the bigger ones and like a thick, nice, juicy one. I know you can try and propagate them, but not sure. So nothing that I can notice straight away, but I'm gonna keep an eye to see if there are any pests. What we're looking for is spider mites, thrips, mealybugs, any of that. So 0.3 is fine right now. I can't make out anything. Okay, and then point number 4 would be to check for the leaf quality, how the leaves are, the leaf texture, basically how firm or soft the leaves are, and that they should not be mushy. Ideally they shouldn't be mushy, so just give it a little press sideways, and these seem to be firm and fine. Just a few have broken up. It is definitely a very small plant, so more leaves of course are falling. That's always the case, but if I give it good conditions, I think I can avoid more leaves from falling. And this was so cute, but it's gone now. So I would clear it for the quality of leaves also. And the 5th one would be to check for roots if possible. Ideally, if they are visible, you should try and check the root status. I don't want to disturb it too much. Some people like to remove it and repot it immediately. I don't, because I'm too afraid to do that. I'll let it settle nicely, and when I start seeing some new growth points, that's when I'll try and check, or if I see any distress signs, that's when I'll check the roots. But actually I just took a sneak peek from here, that hole, and I do see some healthy green colored roots, so I'm fine. That's fine. So point number 5 is also fine actually. I mean, these few leaves which have dropped are of course a small bit of a concern, but that's expected, the damage in packaging and shipping. But the roots I think are fine. Last point is the placement of the plant. So what exactly is going to be the placement plan in your home? That's a key important thing. So anytime you get a new plant, and you're unboxing it, of course you need to give it some time to adjust to suddenly from like a dark area like this box for 3 days, and we don't know what conditions it was in before, and now that it's in your home, and what kind of lighting conditions, humidity levels, place, actual spot, does it have good enough space for it or not, matters a lot. Oh, there's one more big turtle fallen. Just gonna get it out or else it will get mushy. So the big turtles are all falling. But that's okay, I guess. Yeah, so my placement plan for this guy would be the cabinet initially, just in case it needs humidity to develop its roots and adjust. I think good humidity and a warm, clean, tidy environment would be good for it. I can place it on the windowsill, but I may not really have the time in the next few days to look after it, and when I keep it in the open, I just feel the plant is so much more vulnerable. So unless and until it's matured, I would want to avoid, in my case specifically, because the lighting condition at my northeast window facing sill is not great. So I will just keep it in the cabinet under the grow lights. So those are the 6 things that I think we should check. So your packaging, the soil, the leaf conditions, the roots, pests, and the placement plan of a plant. And I'm so happy. It's just really cute. Let me show the nice turtle shapes. I'm such a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle fan, and I really wanted this plant so badly. This is kind of the size which I expected it to be, so I'm okay with that for sure. No complaints. Really cute plant. Speaking of cute things, there's one more thing I need to unbox, which has been lying with me for a while now, and it's this packaging that I received. It's not the best packaging again, but it's okay because this is not plants, but it's planters. And let me just very quickly open this because, oh, it's actually wet. The whole box was wet inside. I didn't open it. It's been with me for a while now, about like 4-5 days, but I couldn't get around. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is so huge. I didn't expect this to be this huge. Ooh, alright, okay. I had ordered this planter. There are two actually. Love the packaging firstly. I love the bubble wrap, and I love the size. The size is so huge. I really didn't expect it to be this huge, though I selected the size myself. Wow. Ooh. This is so nice. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting it to be like this at all. Oh my god, I love it. Ooh. And there's another one. This is a size I expected actually, and this is the plate of this planter. So I come across this Instagram page a while back, and I really wanted to try it. For some reason I could not reach out to them for a long time, and then I recommended them to someone I know, and they ordered and they were happy, and then I decided I'll order one too. And the reason is actually this pot. I'll come to it very quickly, but I'm loving this. Oh my god, this whole 3D thing, just love it. The monsteras are so beautiful, and it's such high quality. The quality of the whole planter is so high quality. The art is so beautiful. The leaves are these anthuriums, these ones, and the heart-shaped ones here. I love the contrast here. I thought this is going to be pink, but it's almost like a red. This is almost a red, but I love it. I was actually thinking I'll put some new plant in this and use this as a cover pot, because yes, I mean, that's what I want to do. Use it as a cover pot. I'll have to figure which plant goes in this. Very quickly, moving on to this one. This is the main reason I placed my order, because this one is a special one. Let me open this. Now I'm feeling so sad that I didn't open these since the last few days, but I don't know, I just couldn't get myself to do this. Oh, I love it. So this is the one for Doctor's Day, and my brother is a doctor, and I thought it'd be so nice to gift this to him to keep in his clinic. And it's got these nice foam holders, like the base has these four foam circular placement things, so it won't scratch your table. And yeah, it's quite a small one. This is like maybe 3 inches or something, 2.5, 3 inches. And this is clearly like either to be used as a cover pot, or maybe you can put a succulent or a cactus or a pen stand. But I love the art on it. It's so nice. So these are the two planters. I am loving it. This actually might just be maybe the right size to put this in. Not really. It won't fit in. I mean, I could squeeze it in, but it's okay. That's fine. Love it. So this is gonna be a gift for my brother, who's a doctor. They had one more actually, and yes, love this all so much. so happy with the unboxing. Actually turned out to be a delight for me. Well, wrapping up, that's it. Thank you so much if you joined me today, and if this was your first time on my channel, thank you so much that you decided to watch this video. And if you were returning here, which I know some of you are returning, thank you so much. It means a lot that you come back again and again and watch my videos. And if you are here, please do like the video, please do subscribe to the channel, please do hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next video, and I'll see you there. Bye.